Hello everyone, this is Prashikta Gupta. I am here to explain my first completed task, that is prediction using supervised ML. Here we need to predict the percentage of a student based on the number of study hours. This is a simple linear regression task as it involves just two variables. You can use R, Python, SAS or any other tools. I am using Python here. The dataset is already given, which is this. After this, we need to predict the score if the student studies for 9.25 hours per day. So here we go with my solution notebook. Firstly, I have imported the required libraries, which are NumPy, Pandas and Matplotlib. After that, I have read the dataset from the link using pd.read_csv. Next, you can check the shape of the dataset, and this tells us that it contains 25 rows and 2 columns. Next, you can check the first 8 rows using head function. After that, you can check the information or the data type of the column, and here hours contains the float data type and scores contain the integer data type. Now you can use the describe function to check the count, mean, standard deviation, etc. This also tells us that there is no null value in our dataset. Now we will plot the graph and check the relationship between the data. From the above graph, it is concluded that if a student studies R is more, then he or she will achieve good scores. So it is clear that there is a positive linear relationship between studied hours and scores. Now we will prepare the data. For this, first we need to divide the dataset into independent variable and dependent variable. Here x is the independent variable, which is R, and y contains the dependent variable, which is score. Now split the data into train and test. Then comes our model building. For this, first we have to train the model, then perform the prediction. Here we are using linear regression model. So for this, I have created the object and then fit the model using trained dataset. And this tells us that our model is trained successfully. Now you can plot the regression line on the graph. And this graph tells us how close these data points are to the fitted regression line. Next, you can perform the prediction using predict function on the test dataset. Now you can compare the actual score with the predicted score. Then comes the final step, which is to evaluate the model. For this, we are using R square value multiplied by 100, and this tells us that our model is 96% accurate. Then check the mean absolute error, which comes out to be 6.16. Now we will predict the score if a student studies for 9.25 hours per day. And it comes out to be 94.05%. Thank you everyone.